Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another video, and welcome to the series on React Native that we're building on this channel, sponsored by Hashnode. So in case you're new here, or if you're already a regular viewer here, make sure you have already hit that subscribe button. If not yet, it is important, it is compulsory. This video is powered by AI, so unless you hit that subscribe, it's not gonna move forward. Yeah, these days we plug in AI in everything. Anyways, let's go ahead and move forward. Hope you're enjoying the series so far. This is our project number 3 that we are going to build. Before we go there, here is the GitHub repository where you can find all the source code. And yes, this is the project 1 contribution, and you can see already that there are people who are pushing their articles up here. That is fantastic. A lot of people are already pushing in, and that is so much good that you are learning on the go. You are sharing your knowledge with the world on the Hashnode. This is the best community that we are building up here. The project 2 contribution is ready, so all your articles related to project 2 needs to go there. Similarly, I'll create one more file which will be project 3, so you can make a pull request and can send all of your articles into the project 3. And based on this, I'll select randomly people and I'll send some goodies, we'll mention them in the channel and whole lot. So just here, I have a couple of contributors already who have spent their time in making a pull request into these project 1 and 2. So thank you so much for doing that. By the way, all the source code is available here. You can check this out. All right, moving on. What we are building next, that is super exciting. So let me first show you what we are about to build next in this particular project 3. So this is the app that we'll be building up. Now, in case you are thinking that, hey, this is just a password generator app, we'll be building this, then you don't have the correct mindset of learning how to learn a technology. When we learn a technology, it's not about what we are building. It's more about how we are building it. What are the pieces of knowledge that we are collecting that is helping us to achieve that goal, so that later on I can reuse those pieces of knowledge and can use them in my other projects. And this project is going to teach us a lot. So notice here, there is so much of elements in this project. This time we are not focusing too much on the UI part because that we have already done in the styler project. We are focused on the cards and WhatsApp UI and whatnot. And I'm pretty sure you have also worked a lot on your projects that I gave to you. Here in this project, the password generator, the first is this password length. So this takes an input. If I try to click on generate, this says that, hey, you need to have a password. So this length is required. We will work on how we can push on these error messages so that we can have conditional rendering. If I click on this, this actually brings my numpad, and we'll learn that how we can actually do that. Once we have this, then we have uppercase, lowercase, and all the features to generate a password. Once a password is generated and we have, let's just say 12 as a length, and we try to generate this, then it actually conditionally renders a card. And in this, we can actually do a long press. And once we do this long press, it automatically does a copy and share. Copy is obviously going to copy it onto your clipboard and you can paste it wherever you like. And then the share button is going to help you to open up a modal and you can share this with whatever you like. And then reset obviously resets everything. So there is a lot of functionality that we are focusing in this case, a lot of logic building that we'll be focusing in this, plus a lot of third-party libraries of the NPM packages that we'll be focusing on. So although this looks like a really super simple app, but it is not. We will be having so much of the learning curve throughout this app. During the building of this app, I'll try to keep my videos a tiny bit shorter compared to the previous section because there is so much of the functionality, we want to keep them separate. But anyways, in case somebody wants to watch it, I can compile that video in one shot and can obviously give it to you. Just let me know in the comment section how we're going to be building. So this is a summary of what we're going to build in the third app that we're having. Also, would like to take a moment to give you a summarized version of what we have done so far. So far, what we have done is pretty simple. We have set up our environment, as well as by this point of time, I expect that you have a confidence on building any kind of UI. Whether that's a card, whether that's a horizontal scroll, vertical scroll, whether that's icons or anything like that, you should be having a comfortable knowledge about how to build those apps and UIs, especially with the Flexbox. I have given you some assignment. I hope you have already shared those assignments and all those self-doing assignment in our Discord server as well. By this time, I expect that UI is not at all a challenge. It might take some time, but it's not a challenge at all. Given the enough time, you can build any kind of UI now. So this is the point where we are now. Now we want to focus a little bit on to the logic building side of the application development. I hope you are excited because I am very much. I hope you have already shared the series on your LinkedIn as well. please do share it again. It requires a lot of your support to build this kind of in-depth and crazy big series on YouTube. Let's go ahead and catch up in the next video.